friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to blur your videos in Canva. So as you can see, I'm in Canva here guys, and I'm going to easily show you by finding a video clip. So let me go ahead and click on video, and yeah, let's just choose anything really. So I'm going to choose this video here, right? And this video is a video of course some girls working out, dancing, right? Okay, so there are multiple ways to go about doing this, to be honest, right? And I'm going to walk you through a few of them, show you how you can do it. You can do it by blurring a portion of the video, or you can blur the entire screen. And I'm going to show you how to do it with a few examples, right? So let's say I would like to blur part of this video or a portion of this video. It is very easy. So you want to go ahead and click on elements, and here you can go ahead and just simple type in blur, right? So if you type in blur, you'll have multiple different options. So you might see it shows in full, but you want to go ahead and let's focus on graphics first. So you want to click on graphics, and you have multiple different blurs that you can go ahead and do. So you can find the area in the video that you want to blur, and you can go ahead and fill that in. So let's say I would like to blur, let's say this lady here first. I can go ahead and I can find something that works for me, right? So let's say we can use maybe this blur would work, right? You can go ahead and you can move this blur, you can rotate it, and you can just simply add it to wherever you want to blur out or something. And if you see that this blur is not bright enough, you can go ahead and you can find something else that is a bit darker. So let's say for example this one, you can use this one and you can blur out that person if this is how you want to, right? You can do it to blur something else. If say I didn't want to blur the lady, I want to blur out the building here or something, you can go ahead and you can do that as well, right? So this is just a few examples. So you can blur part. If you want to do part of the screen, you can look for something that fits for you, and you can maybe use this section here, and you can make it larger, right? You can make it larger, you can rotate it, and you can just simply blur out a portion or a part of the screen if that's what you so desire, right? So you can blur it and you can adjust it if you so desire. No, so that's just an example how you can go ahead and just do blur of certain parts of the screen if you so desire, right? This is just basic examples, guys, right? So let's go ahead and take out this one, and let's say remove this one, and yeah, you get the general idea how to blur out your screen or your video within Canva. Now, the next thing that I would like to share with you, what if you want to blur out your entire screen? There are a few ways to go about doing this. One, you can search for full blur. You can just simply type in full blur. Now, I want to recommend that, let's say you find something that you can work with. Let's say you want to use this blur here. You can click on it and you can adjust it. So you might be dragging over your screen and you might be realizing, oh, I run out of space to, let's say, adjust it. All you have to do is just adjust the screen here, just make it smaller, and you'll have more room to stretch out the blur to your liking. So you can adjust it and stretch it out to your liking until it covers the entire video, right? And there you have something like this. So you'll blur out the video, as you can see. If you want to, let's say, make it darker, or you want to change the color of the blur, you can change that by clicking on the colors, and you can change it to something else of your choice, right? So you can make it black, you can make it gray, you can change it to whatever you want, and yeah, you can basically adjust it as well. So let's say I would like to make it the gray, but I don't want it to be so bright or that I can't see anything really. You can come here and click on transparency, and you can adjust it to your liking, something like that. Yeah, so you get the idea. No, you don't have to use these graphics. You can also use images. So if you go to photos here on the left hand side, you can type in blur. As you can see, type in blur, and you can find multiple different blurs that you can use. So you can use maybe this one and you can adjust it. This one have some background, so let's use something else. Maybe this could work, right? You can adjust this and put it over your video, and that will do the trick. You can adjust the transparency, something like that, so that someone knows that there's a video behind it, but at the same time you know that it's blurred out, right? So this is how you can go about attempting that, right? So you can work something like this, or you can basically choose whatever you want. It's really up to you. Cover it, and you'll be able to play around with the transparency of the blur. So you can just go to transparency and you can adjust that to your liking. See? And on top of that, you can make it in such a way that if you even put like a blank picture there, you can even put like a solid color there. So let's say I would like to use white, right? And I will find like a plain white background. I can put it over it like this. And if you go to edit, you will be able to find, once you click on edit, you will have the option that says blur, and you can choose the whole page or the whole image, and you can just simply go ahead and choose blur or something like that, or you can adjust it to your liking. So it's really up to you. You just need to find a way how you want to blur it. If you want to blur a part of the video or something, let's say I want to do one side, I can go ahead and I can do that. It's really up to me, and I can play around with transparency or something. You get the idea. And that, in a nutshell, that's it, guys. You just have to find something that works for you and know the tools and the options that you can use to blur the part of the video. I hope you learn it and get some idea and examples from this video. And if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below. And of course, hit that subscribe button if you find value within this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video, guys.